Hey everyone, my name is Jackson Ponsler and this is another 5-minute lesson from my classes today. Today I am talking from Tucker Herman's class, Motion Planning, and I'll be talking about weighted searches. And what weighted searches are is that you have vertexes, such as I have A, B, C, D, F, G, X, and a robot's going to travel around to these different vertexes along these different edges or lines. But each line has a weight on it. Like this point, this edge here from A to G costs 30. And we don't know what 30 could be. 30 could be time, 30 could be energy, 30 can be gas, it could be many things. But what our goal is to try to get from our start to our end, which is X, in the fewest amount of iterations. I'll be going over what it will look like in terms of our two Qs, the frontier and the explored. Frontier being the nodes we have yet to look at, and explored being the nodes we've already visited. So we're starting at A, and we will be visiting B and C. So they go into our frontier. B has a weight of 2, and C has a weight of 5. And then we pop out from our frontier the one with the least amount, and that would be B. So from B, we know it takes an overall cost of 2 to get there. From B, we can go to D or E. And when we go to that, we have to put in the new values with the edge plus the cost it was to get to our original node. So to go to E, it would be the cost of 4 plus the cost of getting to B, which was 2, so we put in E6. And for D, we put in D5, because it takes 3 to get to D. And so once again, we pop off the lowest one. This one would be C. C has a cost of 5, it's the quickest way of getting there. From C, the only way you can go is D. And then what happens is we already have C in our queue, with the value, well, we already have D in our queue with a value of 5, which is less than going from C then to D. So we don't update anything. We then pop up our one with the next lowest one, which is D. The lowest D has is 5. From here, we can either go to E or to F. If we went to E, that would be a cost of 8, and we have it being 6. So we're not going to do anything. But to get to F, that would be a cost of 5 plus 5, which is 10. So we have F10. What am I missing? I've already gotten rid of C. And then we pop up our next lowest one, which is E. E is 6. And to get from E to F, that would be a cost of 1, making it 7. So we're going to update F as 7. Oh, and I forget, as we go along, we have A, we have B, we have C, we have D, we have E, and then we have F. We're supposed to be updating these as we go along. So we first explored A, then we went to B, then we went to C, then we went to D, then we went to E. And so far, we're keeping track of what was the shortest route. And up to this point, the shortest route to getting to F was going this long way, A, B, E, F. Now that we're at F, we look at where we can possibly go. We can go to G or we can go to X. So X will have a cost of 7 plus 20, so that'd be 27. And going to G would be 7 plus 5, which is 12. So we pop up the lowest again, which is our G12. And from there, we can go to X. That would be a cost of 22, because it would be 12 plus 10. So we're going to update that. Or we can go to L, with a cost of 17. we went to G, so we're going to put that down here in our explored. And then we pop off the lowest, which is L, and from L, you can go to X, but that also would be a cost of 22. And you only update the frontier if it's less than. If it's equal, don't worry about it, it's the same. So we get rid of our L. X is still at 22, so we know that the quickest way that we map when we pop off X is 22 is we go from A to B to E to F to G to X. And this was a quick lesson here about how to use weighted edges to get to your goal. My name is Jackson Ponsler, and have a great day.